Suddenly, if your iPhone screen appears to have a yellow tint or color cast, it can be quite frustrating, but don't worry. Here in this video, I'll show you 4 advanced ways to solve this issue. Solution 1. Check True Tone settings. Swipe down the control center, tap and hold the brightness slider. Turn off the True Tone. Solution 2. Adjust or turn off night shift settings. To turn off the night shift settings, go to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, scroll down, turn off the night shift. Solution 3. Turn off the color filter. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility, tap Display and Text Size. Scroll down, tap Color Filters, and toggle it off to see if the screen color changes. Come back here. Tap Display and Text Size and check the settings. Turn off Reduce White Point. Also, turn off Classic Invert. Solution 3. Give Reset All Setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset All Setting. Do it again. There you are. If the screen still appears to be yellow, it may be a hardware issue and you may need to take your iPhone to an Apple store or authorized service provider for further assistance. Thanks for watching.